In this video, we're looking at solving logarithmic equations. So log base 3 of 243 is equal to 2x plus 1. At this point, what we know to do is to look at this in its exponential form. And so it's 3 to the power of 2x plus 1, because that's our base, that's our exponent, is equal to 243. Well, this is in fact a power of 3. And if you don't recognize that, that should be the first thing you try. Because we have a base of 3 here, we need to check and see if this is a power of 3. Now, if it's not, it's distinctly possible that this could have decimal answers. It could not work out nice and neat, and we will learn more strategies about that later on. But generally at this point, they're going to be powers with the same base. So 243, if you check it out, start multiplying by 3. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81, times 3 is 243. So 243 is 3 to the 5th power. So if I write this down, I have 3 to the 5th power. Same bases are equal to each other, means the exponents are equal to each other. So I have 2x plus 1 is equal to 5. From there, it's just simple, straightforward solving of an equation, x equals 2. When x equals 2, log base 3 of 243 is equal to 2x plus 1. Next problem, we're going to set this up in a similar fashion. I'm going to write its exponential form. So my base is 2, my exponent is 5. 2 to the 5th power is equal to 3x plus 4. 2 to the 5th power, so that's 2 written down 5 times. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. So I have 32 is equal to 3x plus 4. If I go from there, I get 28 is equal to 3x. Divide both sides by 3, and that's just a really ugly number. It's just 28 thirds. There's really not much more I can do with that. It's just ugly, and that's okay. When we are solving basic logarithmic equations, we want to change into its exponential form. If necessary, we will aim for the same bases as in the case of this first example. In the second one, it's not. We put it in its exponential form, and it's just a nice, neat equation to solve. But remember that logs are very closely tied to exponentials, and that will allow us to do a lot of solving of equations.